10 different ways to earn money in 2025. No one is talking about. The world of work is changing faster than ever. With advancements in technology, shifting consumer behaviors, and the rise of new industries, the opportunities to earn money are evolving in ways many people haven't even considered. While side hustles like freelancing, dropshipping, and investing are well known, there are emerging trends and niches that could become lucrative by 2025. And hardly anyone is talking about them yet. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and explore unique ways to make money, here are 10 unconventional ideas that could define the future of earning. 1. AI prompt engineering. As artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into our daily lives, the ability to effectively communicate with AI systems will be a highly sought-after skill. AI prompt engineering involves crafting precise and effective prompts to generate desired outputs from AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney. How to start? Learn how to write effective prompts and offer your services to businesses or creators who rely on AI for content generation, design, or problem solving. Why it's hot. Companies are increasingly using AI but lack the expertise to maximize its potential. 2. Virtual event planning for the metaverse. The metaverse is no longer just a buzzword, it's becoming a reality. As more people attend virtual conferences, weddings, and concerts in digital spaces, there will be a growing demand for virtual event planners who can create immersive experiences. How to start? Familiarize yourself with metaverse platforms like Decentraland or Roblox, and learn how to design and host virtual events. Why it's hot. The metaverse economy is projected to grow exponentially, and virtual events will be a big part of it. 3. Digital twin consulting. A digital twin is a virtual replica of a physical object, system, or process. Industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and real estate are using digital twins to optimize operations and predict outcomes. How to start? Gain expertise in IoT, Internet of Things, and data analytics, then offer consulting services to businesses looking to implement digital twin technology. Why it's hot. Digital twins are becoming essential for efficiency and innovation across industries. 4. Micro-subscription services. While subscription models are nothing new, micro-subscriptions, small, niche services that cater to specific needs, are on the rise. Think personalized meal plans, curated playlists, or even mini online courses. How to start? Identify a niche audience and create a subscription service that solves a specific problem or fulfills a unique desire. Why it's hot. Consumers are willing to pay for hyper-personalized experiences. 5. Eco-friendly product reselling. Sustainability is no longer a trend, it's a necessity. By 2025, there will be a growing market for second-hand, refurbished, or eco-friendly products. How to start? Source sustainable or upcycled products and sell them through platforms like Etsy, eBay, or your own online store. Why it's hot. Consumers are increasingly prioritizing eco-conscious purchases. 6. Neurofeedback training. Neurofeedback is a type of biofeedback that uses real-time brain activity to help individuals improve focus, reduce stress, and enhance performance. As mental health and wellness continue to gain attention, neurofeedback training could become a lucrative field. How to start? get certified in neurofeedback therapy and offer sessions to individuals or organizations. Why it's hot. Mental health awareness is growing, and people are seeking innovative ways to improve their well-being. 7. Drone-based services. Drones are no longer just for photography. They're being used for everything from agriculture to delivery services. By 2025, there will be even more opportunities to monetize drone technology. How to start. Offer drone services like aerial inspections, land surveying, or even drone light shows for events. Why it's hot. Industries are finding new ways to use drones, creating demand for skilled operators. 8. Virtual reality fitness coaching. Virtual reality, VR, is transforming the fitness industry by making workouts more engaging and immersive. As VR headsets become more affordable, there will be a growing market for VR fitness coaches. How to start. Create VR workout programs or offer one-on-one coaching sessions in virtual environments. Why it's hot. People are looking for fun, innovative ways to stay fit. 9. Personalized AI avatars. As digital identities become more important, there will be a demand for personalized AI avatars that can represent individuals in virtual spaces, social media, or even customer service roles. How to start. Learn how to create and customize AI avatars using tools like Synthesia or Reallusion, and offer your services to individuals or businesses. Why it's hot. Digital identities are becoming a key part of online interactions. 10. Space tourism content creation. Space tourism is no longer science fiction, it's becoming a reality. By 2025, there will be a growing market for content creators who can document and share their experiences of traveling to space. How to start. Build a following around space exploration and partner with space tourism companies to create content. Why it's hot. As space travel becomes more accessible, people will want to live vicariously through those who experience it. Final thoughts. The future of earning money is full of exciting possibilities, but it requires thinking outside the box and staying ahead of trends. By exploring these unconventional opportunities, you can position yourself to thrive in a rapidly changing economy. Which of these ideas excites you the most? Or do you have another unique way to earn money in 2025 that no one is talking about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about the future of work. Pro tip. If you're ready to dive into one of these opportunities, start by researching the niche, building relevant skills, and testing the waters with a small project. The early adopters are often the ones who reap the biggest rewards. Good luck, and here's to your future success. Rocket.